France is planning to unleash an army of robotic warriors. Machines designed not just to follow orders, but to think on their own and fight alongside human soldiers. This isn't just another weapons upgrade, it's a total game changer, a revolution fueled by billions, cutting-edge tech, and a vision so bold it's rewriting what war means. Countries like China, Russia, and the US have been launching army of robots, but what France is planning now could change everything. The question isn't if robots will fight, but what happens when they do. Let's talk about why France is racing toward robotic warfare. The answer lies in 3 words: protection, precision, and power projection. Today's battlefields are brutal, unpredictable, and increasingly high-tech. Sending a human into a chemical zone or a sniper-infested ruin is a costly gamble, but send in a robot? It doesn't get tired, scared, or distracted. And France knows it. In future conflicts, the side with the smartest machines could dominate without sacrificing lives. These robots can also gather, analyze, and transmit data faster than any human unit. That means real-time updates on enemy movements, terrain changes, and logistical gaps. In an age where information wins wars, France wants machines that can think and act faster than the enemy. But this isn't about replacing soldiers. According to the French Armed Forces Ministry, robots are seen as capability multipliers. Think of them as digital teammates, handling the high-risk, high-data tasks while human troops focus on strategy and survival. And here's what sets France apart. It's blending battlefield automation with a deeply ethical framework and a vision for European tech independence. Robots won't just follow orders, they'll reflect French values. Now meet the brainchild of this movement, Project Volcan. Volcan is France's long-term blueprint to roll out a full ecosystem of combat-capable robots by 2040. These bots are being developed with leading defense giants like Nexter, Arquus, and Thales, and they're expected to handle everything from patrolling terrain to carrying out reconnaissance, logistics, and limited combat roles. The scope of Volcan goes beyond just tech. It also includes training, doctrine, and unit restructuring. The French army is actively reimagining how traditional infantry squads might evolve when robots become part of the formation. Who commands the robot? How do soldiers coordinate with it under fire? These are questions being addressed in tandem with development. And here's something wild. Some of these machines may operate semi-autonomously, using AI to make real-time decisions in low-threat situations. The first wave of these bots hits the testing field in 2025, and by 2040, France expects full deployment across military units. The goal is seamless integration. Volcan's robots will move with soldiers, respond to battlefield chaos, and act like trusted teammates, not just tools. While Volcan handles the vision, the Droid program is handling the boots-on-the-ground tech. Droid, Développement robotisé opérationnel et intégré des équipements, is a fast-track effort by the French military to roll out operational battlefield robots by the early 2030s. With companies like KNDS and Safran in the driver's seat, France is already building modular ground robots that can clear mines, deliver ammo, rescue the wounded, or scout enemy locations. These early prototypes are undergoing rigorous stress testing in mock combat zones across Europe. Engineers are closely watching how well they navigate mud, rubble, and debris, conditions common in real war zones. They're also testing how well robots maintain communications in areas with GPS jamming or electronic warfare interference. Here's what makes them unique. They're built like digital Swiss Army knives. Each unit can swap modules. Want a thermal cam? A missile pod? It's no more a problem. One chassis, infinite configurations. That's modular warfare, and France is putting it on wheels. So how smart are these machines really? Pretty darn smart. French military robots are being equipped with AI-enhanced decision-making, terrain-scanning LiDAR, and real-time gesture recognition that lets soldiers direct them with just a hand signal. Behind this brainpower is France's AID, partnering with top labs to ensure these bots don't just follow orders. They learn, adapt, and improve. Some of these machines are even being fitted with predictive maintenance software that detects internal failures before they happen. That means fewer breakdowns rounds in the field, and more uptime during critical missions. And because most systems are built with NATO compatibility in mind, they can integrate smoothly into joint operations with allied forces. In recent trials, robots navigated debris-strewn fields, dodged simulated enemy fire, and live-streamed threat data to command centers, all while staying in sync with human squads. These aren't lab-bound experiments. They're battlefield-ready machines designed to be as flexible and fearless as the troops they serve. Now here's where France makes a bold, and some may call it a brave choice. While some countries are leaning into fully autonomous weapons, France is pumping the brakes. According to its defense doctrine, lethal robots must always operate under human supervision, no exceptions. Even if the AI flags a high-value target, a human must give the go-ahead. This principle of meaningful human control isn't just for show, it's law. And it reflects a bigger strategy. If soldiers can't trust the bots beside them, the mission fails. So, France is prioritizing accountability, oversight, and battlefield ethics in a way few other nations are. Zoom out, and the picture gets even bigger. France's robotic revolution is just one part of a wider military modernization megaproject. Alongside Volcan and Droid, France is rolling out the Scorpion program, a total revamp of armored vehicles, battle management systems, and communications gear designed for high-intensity, multi-domain combat. Layered on top is Project Titan, an ambitious initiative aimed at unifying all digital combat elements, robots, drones, satellites, and crewed vehicles into a single, hyper-connected command and control ecosystem. Now take a moment and picture this. A drone silently scans the terrain from above and spots a suspicious movement. It pings a nearby ground robot, which maneuvers into position, verifies the target using its onboard AI, and instantly relays the data to a remote battlefield commander. The commander, aided by real-time 3D mapping and predictive AI tools, greenlights a precision strike. All of this, from detection to decision to engagement, happens in under 10 seconds. And this isn't theoretical. France is currently running interoperability tests with NATO partners to ensure this command web operates smoothly across forces. If successful, it could allow allied armies to plug into the same robotic network during future conflicts, creating a true pan-European digital force. The message is clear. France doesn't just want robots. It wants them thinking, moving, and fighting as one with humans in a fast, fluid battle space. But theory is nothing without practice, and France is already testing its bots in gritty, high-pressure drills. In joint exercises called COHOMA, Coordination Ohm Machine, French troops are training side by side with robots in simulated war zones. These machines are dodging obstacles, relaying intel, and even simulating wounded soldier evacuations, all in real time. The results are promising. Every round of testing leads to smarter algorithms, tougher hardware, and tighter coordination. France isn't just checking boxes, it's forging a new style of war, one where trust between man and machine is mission critical. Alright, let's jump into the future. By 2040, here's what you might see in a French combat zone. Lightweight bots zigzagging through ruined cities, scanning for ambushes. AI-guided drones patrolling the skies, synced to ground units. Modular robots that flip roles mid-mission, from medic to scout to gunner. All of them coordinated by a secure, AI-powered network that ties the battlefield together in real time. And because France is sticking to a modular design philosophy, these bots won't just be high-tech, they'll be budget-smart and mission-flexible. One unstoppable machine, built to adapt, armed for anything, and never off the clock. Let's bring it home. France isn't just dipping its toes into the future of warfare, it's diving headfirst and rewriting the entire playbook. With bold innovation, battlefield-tested AI, and a strong ethical compass, it's not building mindless killing machines. It's creating robotic teammates designed to protect, support, and amplify human soldiers in the heat of combat. From modular warbots and AI scouts to full-spectrum command networks, France's 2040 vision could redefine global defense strategy. And if it pulls this off, it won't just be reacting to the wars of tomorrow, it'll be leading them. But here's the big question. Is this the dawn of smarter, safer warfare, or the first step into a future where machines call the shots? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you love next-gen military tech, AI breakthroughs, and deep dives into the future of combat, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and ring the bell because this is just the beginning.